Accusations. MLA Nambol and Loken alleges BJP-led state government of wasting more money on Prime Minister's reception, says worth of projects announced are disappointing. Ensuring health facility. Health Minister Lampulapam Jentakumar inaugurates Morangpurel Public Health Center under PPP model with Raj Medicity, providing 24/7 health services. Examinations around the corner. BOSEM and COSEM announced date sheets for this year's Class 10 and 12 examinations. And inspiring art enthusiasts, a 3-day group art exhibition 2019 named Machuthel begins at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. MLA Nambol N. Loken has alleged the BJP-led state government of spending more money to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi than the worth of projects that the Prime Minister has announced during his visit. He was speaking in the 23rd Foundation Day celebration of Lema Pokpam Khunpham Apunba Shanaroi Lup Lashal at Lema Pokpam in Bishnupur district today. MLA Loken maintained that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has visited the state 3 times in 4 years of rule, however, fails to provide any benefits for the people. He said the people of the state gathered at Hapta Kangjibung with the hope that the Prime Minister will announce useful projects. However, they left disappointed as the Prime Minister announced works capable of being announced by a Zilla Parishad. The MLA further mentioned that the Prime Minister fails to respond to any queries asked by Congress party on behalf of the people. He also expressed disappointment over Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren for criticizing Congress party instead of taking the rare opportunity to draw the attention of the Prime Minister for announcing some useful projects. Senior citizens of the area selected by the association were presented gifts on the occasion. Meritorious students who had passed the recent Class 10 and 12 examinations in First Division were also felicitated on the occasion.
अखोई प्रजाना आशा तवी सुसोई सोदरमगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर लाबनिना अखोइदा मणिपुर करिगुम खुदोन पोट खरा प्रोजेक्ट खरा स्कीम खरदी लाउथोमगनिना अखोइना निंगजब पदो मदुगी ओना तैनबदा करीमत लाउदना सिदैद दुलाई थाबी प्रोजेक्ट मसे आरके रणबीसराना चिफ मिनिस्टर ओइनिगादिगे हौदोमनि फाउंडेशन स्टोर मदुदगी थबक सुरक तबदुना अखोइगी सही 15 अदुगुबलबा अखोइगी कांग्रेस की सासोल अदुगा मतम मदुगी यूपीए की डॉक्टर मनमोहन की मतमदा प्रोजेक्ट 95% ना लोइसलगा थममबनि सरकार अबदि कंटिन्यूशन नि अखोइने लोइरमदब पोतो सिगी सरकार न लोइचनबा करिसु कायदे मसाना लोइफमसु थोकपनि सिदी मसाना आदगी प्राइम मिनिस्टर दिलाइना यूनियन मिनिस्टर न फाउबा संगादबा चुमदगी स्टेट तुगी मागी कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर न संगारगा याबा सिगुंबा स्कीम सिंगदो भारत की प्रधानमंत्री लागा संगारकपा से अदुकी मति अखोइदे जो नोंगनिंगबा इकाइबसो दुमक फाउवी.
Health Minister Lampulapam Jentakumar has inaugurated Morangpurel Public Health Center today. The Health Minister further assured to upgrade the Public Health Center into a community health center in future. Mahud Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, who is also the MLA of Andhra constituency, Director of Health Services Manipur Dr. K. Rajo, State Mission Director of National Health Mission Manipur Dr. S. Manikanta, Managing Director of Raj Medicity Rajan Haubijam, and many people attended the event organized by the Directorate of Health Services Manipur. Raj Medicity will run the health center under its corporate responsibility scheme on public-private partnership model, providing 24/7 services in various other facilities like basic life support, cardiac ambulance, general surgery, medicine, operations and gynae, labor room, x-ray, ultrasound, etc. Speaking further, Minister Jentakumar urged every parents to get their children routine immunization from the center. He said the immunization facility will be available in the health center within a week with installation of a deep freezer and solar panel. Urging for public cooperation, the Health Minister also appeals to doctors and medical staffs of the center to treat their patients well.
Idak labor ngamdaba treatment obang ngamdaba afa hospital tabang ngamjadaba kangbu laraba kangbu singda mar trust area ni hadne piraga sarkar pakhale be makhl thabuk sing masi yemba kan angpani mioi be go makhl health sector se masi mong tan kandabi ya mi gudimak nan bi yadaba lanjang amon changpa kandadi there is no distinction between the private sector and the government sector mi be gi wakhal mi bi thamoi che masi yaung thabuk to ngamdaba taragadi everything is meaningless utterly te mioi be samaj gi damak ta mase pulap pulaga mase si masem do ya de aduna ai gi kendra da ai gi morang purenda praja sing je askum mate health care sotare pulap pulaga afabam to bi do ya de etna chelai be makli local emela inau sham ko mathak to ngamde and every credit goes to him.
Speaking in the event, Mahud Minister Thaunajam Shyam Kumar appeals for public cooperation in ensuring smooth functioning of the health center, which will be beneficial to people living in and around Moirangpurel. He also said funds will be collected from people of Andhra constituency to station necessary equipments for ultrasound and MRI scanning at the center within 3 months. He also assured to raise a mobile tower to ensure facilities of Chief Minister Gi Hakshalgi Tengbang and Ayushman Bharat schemes at the health center, and also to blacktop the road leading to Moirangpurel by January 20 to ease transportation. The public health center was constructed under the funding of Multi-Sectorial Development Program MSDP of the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India.
Without cooperation of the genuine publics, government cannot do alone on the infrastructure developments, on the service of the peoples of the Manipur and peoples of the nation. Adunai thamning yaduna. Kung mag support to biyo, isa na kadung ngasi di ay na maca mating pangyo mayam duna. Government si kanano praja kini praja si kanano government. Praja na government se mani kanana aduna government na tayo na busya sa ibiyaro. Praja na parakan ng government si phaduine. Amerika sa khol lagi PTV mali sa khol ibiyaro. Amerika da phang facility do, Delhi phang facility do. Such facility we have to get in this area also. Sisu phangbatai, Imphal phangbatai, Moirang phangbatai, Thang phangbatai, Urkhun phangbatai, Tamil phangbatai, Nagaland phangbatai. Loi phangakan je khoi we human beings, our country, our universe is developed by yai. Natriki sakapusiyaro. Adu ne khoi ngasi honajariba, tumiba, sangiba.
Indian Medical Association IMA Manipur branch extended solidarity to All India Protest Day today. The protest was held against the alleged anti-people, anti-poor, anti-democratic and anti-federal character of the Indian government. Doctors and individuals in state health services wore black badges to show their supports for the nationwide protest. Private hospitals and clinics in the state also displayed placards in relation to the protest. President of Shiv Sena Manipur, M. Tombi, submitted a 3-point memorandum to Party National President Anil Desai and Party Observer of North East States Dilip Panikkar yesterday. The 3 demands are immediate resurvey of states' traditional boundary, to resolve the ongoing boundary controversies, to disclose the content of the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement signed between Indian government and NSC and IM, and to deploy National Highway Protection Force along national highways of the state. Aspiring candidate of the upcoming 17th Lok Sabha election from Manipur Outer Parliamentary Constituency and a former finance officer of Manipur Finance Service, K. James, was given a warm reception at Ibudhau Thangja Lila Pakhangba Shanglen in Ilang Khangpokpi today. The event was organized by the residents of Ilang Khangpokpi, Mamang Lekai. Speaking in the event, K. James stressed the need for more MPs from Manipur in the parliament to contribute in bringing development of the state. He also highlighted various welfare undertakings that he desires to take up for the state.
Manipur Puriba, Sakra Mayamsina, Madukumado, Amadam's Walking Kamide, Kara Midusu, ID Kara, Wanamuka, Honor Karikanara, having a Timothy David Masisi, Kasipoa, 70 Panda, I pay Minga Pandavada, Datonara, Yamna, Haisiba, Yamna, Politi Leva, Misakamani, Adubu, Lepaya the Wagi, Kadre. Adukuwa misaso ujisu na harusu yamna thurakigani adu pharaga lebe madu yaro Manipur MP ahum lebe si yam darakani lausika chokka se tardi MP yam lebe tardi.
Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, cum MLA Oinam L. Radhakishore, inspected Bishnupur Higher Secondary School in Bishnupur district as part of Go to School mission today. MLA Radhakishore expressed disappointment at the condition of the school and assured of renovating it at the earliest. Principal of the school expressed disappointment that the repair works of the school were carried out without quality control. He said parts of the stairs, floors and ceilings of the school have already started wearing out.
Honorable Chief Minister Manipur gi akhoi Sri N Biren Singhana lauthokhiba Go to School saiba mahaki chaliba chahi asigi anugo program aduga mari lenana koi ki Bharat ki Prime Minister na paikhaliba program asiga punna laksaraga yak isasu yauna hariba social services yaujabani yaujabagi maramde school se da hoje waliba shortage leiriba wajagi oiro building gi oiro akoibagi oiro punamak singa se yak municipal ga tanazaraga municipality gi chairperson ga tanazaraga government da session hoban nangnanaba kari to yabage kari paikhatchige haibadugi laksabani.
Date sheets for this year's Class 10 board examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSEM and Class 12 board examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSEM were announced today. Chairman, Secretary and Controller of COSEM and BOSEM attended the announcement event held at COSEM office in Babupara. Over 39,000 students will appear Class 10 examination 2019 conducted by BOSEM across 120 examination centers from February 20 to March 15. Over 28,000 students will appear in Class 11 examination and over 29,000 students in Class 12 examination conducted by COSEM from February 20 to March 20. Speaking to media, Director of Education S, who is also the chairman of BOSEM, T.H. Kiran Kumar appeals not to call any bunt or blockade during the examinations and advises students to start preparing for the examinations. COSEM Chairman Mahendra appeals not to upload fake question papers on social media like previous years and urged everyone to cooperate for smooth conduct of the examinations.
Parikya akoigi nganna prajada akoigi angangsing da khangan basina angangsing gi parikya gi preparation gi akoigi moigi lakadaba tension agi mai stress lakadaba myam du control da woni adu khandana koina kharasu nganna koi haidokpani
kanagumba kharana karigino khangde karamba khudongchaba phangningbadagi no khangde hoax question paper ka putoraga adugumba council amdi board singsida hainingai leitana khangba ngamdana pressure ka pirakpa adu achumba sunataba adugumba practice punamak ado haure iba satra satri singsida adu psychological imbalance ton ba parents singda letapam khangdana wahan ba adugumba thaba khuding maktu leibaki ona kanbiraga haure iba satra satri singona kanbiraga madu khuding maktu akoi khuding mak thaduk minasi.
A deranged woman aged around 60 years is at Swadar Gre in Naremthong Laisram Lekai of Imphal West District. Anyone who can identify the woman is requested to contact mobile number 897-4020-266 or to intimate Dr. Hegrujam Indramani, General Secretary of Rural Health Organization Naremthong Laisram Lekai. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Manipuri cultural troupe gearing up for participating in Kumbh Mela at Allahabad from January 14 to March 4. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. A cultural troupe from Manipur comprising of 300 artists is getting ready to take part in the Kumbh Mela, which is celebrated every 12 years at Allahabad from January 14 to March 4. The cultural troupe organized by Sanskar Bharati Manipur Prant will get an opportunity to showcase Manipur's vibrant art and culture during the fair. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of Sanskar Bharati Manipur Prant, Professor H. Tombi, mentioned that around 20 crore people, including various artists from 98 countries, will attend the fair. He also mentioned that the Manipuri cultural troupe will showcase Manipuri dance, songs, Thangta, Lai Harauba, Raj Leela, Shumang Leela and dramas at the event, and stalls for Manipuri cuisines and textiles will be set out. Tombi has urged the relevant authority and cultural enthusiasts to extend help for the tour.
Food habit, jagoi isai, Lila, Shumang Leela, Habu Yaure, Tongan drama gi Kangbu, ꯑꯗꯩ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯤꯅꯥꯇ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯅ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯖꯋꯥꯍꯔꯂꯥꯜ ꯅꯦꯍꯔꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯗꯥꯟꯁ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯏꯅꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯁꯛ ताकपगी मणिपुरी कल्चर की आइडेंटिटी से फजना कोई पुथोकनबा अदुंबा कोई हंदक्ति प्लान तौजरी
3-day group art exhibition 2019 named Machu Thel kicked off at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. The exhibition, organized by a printmaker and 2 freelance painting artists, will continue till January 7. Canvas arts works, printmaking designs and other creative works depicting the lifestyle of the state are on display at the exhibition. Speaking to media, freelance visual artist painting K. Michael intimated that the exhibition aims to portray the changing trend of Manipuri society to bridge the present and posterior generations.
Masuthien a group art exhibition asi kanagumba sponsorship amaki makhada khoi tawjaba nate artist ahum sigi akhoi financial akhoi ahumna khaigatnaraga exhibition si akhoi pangthokna basinjaba tongan ba medium da akhoi society leiriba tongan thodo wathok natragana akhoi na society sida canvas sina mafam mu oirakanda akhoi canvas sida tongan mami ta halak artwork sing si exhibition asida akhoi show tawjagador Manipur da leiba artist amoina tongan Manipur gi khongba naiba matam gi 21st century sigi khongchat sim akhoi canvas ta mami ta halakanda akhoi laiba viewer singa ayek palai singa pau phauna rakanda ayek palai sina akhoi shanti pami bo hairagasu akhoi hana sunabasi phatte haragasu kaigumba message मियामना योहन्नबगिदमुक्ता कोई आर्ट एक्जिबिशन से नहा ओइना यामना थौना लेना कोई यामना वान होना जरगा एक्जिबिशन तौजबनी
5th JK Rifles of Suraj Gorkha and 9th Sector Assam Rifles of Tulihal Battalion jointly organized a photography workshop at St. John School, Nambol today. Director of Manipur Image Photo Club and Secretary M. Ranjit gave tips and tricks of photography to the students present in the workshop. Major of IGAR South Headquarters Praveen Agrawal and teachers of St. John School attended the event. Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council launched a Kakching Book Fair organized by Library and Information Center Kakching at the center today. The annual book fair, held on the theme Promotion of Reading Habit, will continue till January 10. Interaction session will also be held between experts of various subjects and students during the fair. The 30th death anniversary of founder of Laishram Mani Gaura Sangeet Academy, Oja Mani, was observed today. The observance was held at the late Oja's residence in Thobal Wangkhem Mayailekai. MLA Wangkhem K. Meghachandra and eminent persons in the field of art and culture, art enthusiasts and many people were present on the occasion. Paying Guru Kirtan to the late gurus of the academy and symposium on Dharma na Mare Chaitharakpa were the main highlights of the event. Ashangba Communication Imphal held one-day discussion meet on Manipuri Lining Laishol Bhakti literature at Manipur Hindi Parishad Old Assembly Road today. Speakers in the event stressed on the norms or beliefs existing before the invasion of Vaishnavism and on the impact of adopting Vaishnavism in the state. A book entitled Punsi Ama Amasung Sahitya, written by renowned writer Jodha Chandra Sanasam, was also released on the occasion. The 71st Independence Day of Myanmar was celebrated at Tammu DC office yesterday. Indian team comprising of SP Technopol, Dr. S. Bomcha, government officials and members of CSOs in Moray town, led by ADC Moray M. Rajkumar, attended the event organized by District Administration Tammu and Tammu Youth Network upon invitation. Member of Parliament Upper House of Myanmar, U Mong Mong Lat, Deputy Commissioner of Tammu District, officials of Myanmar and members of various organizations attended the event from the Myanmar side. SP Technopol believed that the invitation for the Independence Day celebration will enhance ties between the two countries. Manipur State Power Company Limited in a press release informed that there will be no electricity between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in areas covered by 22 kV Yumrembam Iroshemba Circuit Line 1 and 2 tomorrow due to maintenance works. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Accusations. MLA Nambol and Loken alleges BJP-led state government of wasting money on Prime Minister's reception, says words of projects announced are disappointing. Ensuring health facility. Health Minister Lampolapam Jentakumar inaugurates Morangpurel Public Health Center under PPP model with Raj Medicity, providing 24/7 health services. Examinations around the corner. Bossam and Kosam announced date sheets for this year's Class 10 and 12 examinations. And inspiring art enthusiasts, 3-day group art exhibition 2019 named Machu Thel begins at Nupilal Memorial Complex today.